to do a review of my Tyger T1 soft roll-up truck bed cover. It's a soft tonneau cover, and I paid $229 for it about a year ago in April of 2021. So I've had it on the truck for 11 months now. I'd say the biggest pros of this tonneau cover are the price. It was easy to install. I've put this on the truck and taken it off 2 times now because I had a headache rack on for a little while. And so, you know, it takes about 15 minutes to put it on and take it off. The security of it is not going to be as good, obviously, as a hard tonneau, but it's more versatile, it's lighter weight, and it's a lot cheaper than a hard tonneau. So to me, the flexibility of that and the bit of security and privacy that, you know, whatever you've got in there isn't getting, you know, looked at all the time, it was worth it for me. If you live in an area that has a lot of auto break-ins and you want to keep expensive tools, I'd keep them locked up in something more secure, obviously. The cons for me on this product is that it's made in China, but as you expect at this price point, you know, even at price points quite a bit higher than this, I imagine it's made in China. That being said, I will say the quality is actually pretty good. So I've been pleasantly surprised. I was a little bit skeptical of how much a $230 tonneau cover, or what kind of quality that would be. And I've been pleasantly surprised a year later. Again, the security is not the greatest, and it's not 100% waterproof in my experience, because this back seal here, you know, you can fit a little finger in. They do give you a strip that you can put back here, so that might help. But if you have a lot of heavy rain with wind hitting the truck at different angles, you might not be 100% waterproof. But if you're okay with 95%, everything in the middle of the tonneau cover is going to be absolutely dry. Because of the Velcro system on the sides are very good. It's really just the back here and the front could have a little bit of water intrusion, but like I said, 95% of your gear is going to stay dry. There's 2 crossbars in the middle here, and then obviously it Velcros to the side, and then there's a rigid bar at the back as well as one at the very front. So there's 4 supports throughout the entire tonneau cover. The way that it opens up, you actually can't really see it, but there's a little latch, and you just go like latch it, and then it folds up. So these are the latches here. It's like a handle with a cable. Very easy to roll up. So here's one of your cross members, and it fits in perfectly here. I've never really had a problem with it you know, being off center, because as you roll it up, it kind of aligns itself. So what I like about this tonneau cover is it was really easy to install. It takes about 15 minutes to install this whole thing. And then at the back here, you can adjust how tight this is. The end where it ties in, the little tooth goes in there, and you can adjust. There's 2 screws, and that's your adjustment. And so you can move this back if you need it tighter, or you can move it back that way towards the cab if you want it to be a little bit looser. And then you've got Velcro across the whole way here, and as I mentioned, you've got the clips here that can hold it into place, and that's adjustable. So when you're on the highway, if you've got some oversized load, you can roll it up and still carry that. So the pros are overall the price. Overall the quality, I'd say, is good at the price point. Ease of installation. They also give you a carrying bag if you want to take this off, or, you know, to store it in the garage, which is cool. And the look and functionality, I think it looks good and it functions well. So overall, I'm very happy with this.